Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Stifel Fast Access step by step clearly. To log into Stifel, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Stifel's official website. Press the Enter key to navigate to the home page. Once the home page loads, look for the login option. This option is typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Login button. You will be directed to a new page prompting for your credentials. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the corresponding area. If you want the system to remember your credentials, check the Remember Me box. Double-check to ensure your information is correct. Once verified, click on the Login button. After a moment, the site will load your account dashboard. If you encounter any issues, ensure your internet connection is stable. For forgotten passwords, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions provided to recover or reset your password. Once logged in, you can access all available features and account information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.